Yeah, today I'm up at Norfolk Pine. Cut most of it down, and I'll show you the top. That's the top, and I'm here, and that's the rest of the tree. There. There's Joel cutting down the stuff. Anyway, I'm just about to put a scarf in the tree, take the top off. Joel will lower it down, and then I'll chop the rest of the tree down in small pieces, and it'll be down there, and it'll beat me down, and I'll come down slowly, under control. And yeah, we're in Banksia. Sorry, did you get that? We're in Banksia. You can see Banksia. And that's the tree I'm cutting down, one of those. There's the airport. Okay, see yous.